Honey Badger here. I got a tenant that left that apparently didn't realize there was a leak under the sink for a very long time. And it's not looking too good. So I've got to do something about that. I'm going to show you. It's pretty well damaged, and it's sunk a couple of inches or an inch and a half or so in the middle. And normally, I guess what people would do is probably cut all this out, get a couple of pieces of plywood, and redo it. Put a vertical piece here for the base to keep it holding up. But this is probably going to happen again. So I'm just going to do it the quick and dirty way with these. I'm just going to cover it up, and that'll be it. I'm going to use these here to just put in the well here, and that's going to hold up the pieces. This is pretty solid. It's not, it's not really doing much. It's very solid, so as long as I back this up, I got these pieces that are cut. Nice thing about just using this is just a Home Depot planking, like 10 millimeter planking, laminate, and I can just cut it to width or thereabouts, which I didn't get too exact, but you see I can just put that in there and have a solid base. Take the second piece, put that in. I'll have to pound all this down, but I'm just kind of showing you the basic idea. And then I did have to notch this one out. Hopefully the third time's the charm here. I haven't tested it yet, but I've got the stile in the middle, so that kind of messes with things. Yeah, this is going to fit fine. So that is basically what I'm going to do. I got to hook this in and hammer it all in, and then I will show you the end result. I didn't get too exact on the sides. It's a little bit bowed, and I didn't have my table saw. I was using a mini saw, and I can't keep those mini saws from walking off to one side. So it ain't perfect, but I really don't care. So let me just put this in place, and then I'll show you the final thing. And there you have it. Like I say, it's not perfect, but it's solid. And if this happens again, this is actually waterproof. I don't know, maybe it'll even hold up. But I may try caulking around the edges or something just to finish it a little. But I mean, this literally took me 30 minutes. So that's the way I'm going to do it. Honey Badger out.